What's up, Team T, baby? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I hope you're doing mighty fine, because you looking kind of fine. Okay, just stop, T, just stop. Your girl's rocking her sweater today. Who copped one of these? Comment down below. So excited today because I've gone asked questions about my grill. Let me see your grill. Yeah, grill. I've gone asked questions about my grill before, and so finally today I get to tell y'all what I do to keep these babies nice and pearly white for the camera, for myself, for the looks. So I decided to share with you guys what I use for my teeth. And you're probably like, girl, you should probably go in the bathroom and do this. But I'm like, no, honey, this is my filming spot, and I'm going to whiten my teeth for y'all right here in my T-Baby living room where I always make my videos. So you can like it or not. Now, I wanted to show you guys who I'm working with today, which is where I get my teeth whitening stuff from. It is called Smile Vegan Style. Would you look at that? Now, I used to, not anymore. I've been using this one. I used to use the charcoal, which I don't know if you guys have ever seen just the regular charcoal before that you put on your teeth. And I actually made a video a long time ago when I first started YouTube, where you put the charcoal on your teeth and you scrub it, and it's like a powder, and I just didn't like it. It would like stick, the powder would like stick in your gums and your teeth and etc. So I was like, I'm not a fan. So I didn't know also that all the products also weren't vegan. So when I found Smile Vegan Style, they are all 100% vegan. So I was like, okay, your girl is in for a treat. I am vegan, I am plant-based. I mostly try and use all my products plant-based, vegan, just because, you know, if you're eating it, might as well use the products as well. It just feels so much better. And so I got the mint flavor. They have different flavors. So this is the toothpaste, and I know you guys have seen these like on Instagram or something, the little light, like the LED light. Like, I'm so excited to show you guys how this works, because when I have it in, I'm just like, I just feel like a boss. Like, I should be getting a massage. I should be having my feet kicked up, because you got to leave this in for 30 minutes. This bad boy gets this grill real white. Okay, then it also comes with your own whitening guide for where your grill is at right now. So it shows you different like teeth on here from 1 to 16 on a scale of how white to how yellow your teeth be looking. I drink coffee and tea every day, so that's why I love to whiten my teeth, because I'm never going to stop drinking coffee or tea. As you guys know, I'm addicted to matcha, and I have coffee every morning with breakfast, and that's my natural get me going throughout the day. That's my pre-workout, that's my everything. So when you drink a lot of caffeine, as like coffee and stuff, you need to whiten your teeth, because it just, you know, I mean, to me it's very, very, very attractive when you have nice clean teeth. I'm really, really into hygiene, like really into hygiene. So that's why I love all natural products like this that can still whiten your teeth and not, because I've had some that literally have hurt my teeth. Let me know if you guys have ever done those, where those like Crest or those like teeth whitening ones that have all the chemicals in it. I've tried those before, and it like would shock me and like kill, like it would hurt my teeth to even put it on, so I couldn't. So then it comes with the teeth whitening gel. So I'm going to show you guys everything, because your girl will be whitening her teeth. And this bamboo brush for the charcoal. It's so cool. Everything's just so perfect in here. And then there's a few of these. So they are the they have vitamin E on them, these Q-tips, because you don't want to get the gel on your gums, because it's just not good, and it'll burn if you leave it on there and you don't. It's a disclaimer in the notes. Do not get the gel on your gums, okay? So just listen and wipe it off with the vitamin E swab. Okay, so then also you have this little paintbrush and little container, you know, to put it on. So first what you need to do, oh, and by the way, I have a giveaway that I also want to do with this, because they have an extra full kit, which I will leave their website in the description below, and you can see the original price of this. And I have a giveaway for you guys, so one of y'all lucky mother truckers can win one of these to whiten your teeth vegan style. The whole kit price is worth $3 okay? So I am vegan and I am giving you one of these. I will put in the description what you need to do in order to enter to win, but pretty much it's follow me on all my social media and follow Smile Vegan on all their social media, and we would love to give you guys a kit. Anybody else who, you know, doesn't win, of course I would love to do more and more giveaways. I do have my coupon code for you guys, which is just my name, Tariana. Most of you guys know me by Team T-Baby, but it's just going to be under Tariana, and you guys get almost 90% off. So it's pretty much, you know, I'm trying to look out for everybody. So that's $35. That's 90% off of this kit. And yeah, so I'll put all the links in the description below, because of course there's one lucky winner for the giveaway, but 90% off of a kit is also pretty much like a steal, because not everybody out there getting that, but your girl's trying to put you all on game. So let me show you guys what you do. First, you're going to need to brush los dientes with this for 2 minutes. This is the charcoal. So you're going to need a brush for at least 2 minutes. I think I am looking at the chart, and you know, I have been using this, so I would say I'm up there in about like the 5 to the 4s. Some teeth in the back might be a little less white, which I really scrub those ones, but overall, like, you guys, it's been working real good. But I'm gonna show you what you have to do. So we are going to get our charcoal, and I'm gonna put my timer on because I got a brush for 2 minutes. So this also helps with bad breath. So if you guys have bad breath, get the brush in, because first of all, that's gross. So let's go. Yeah, girl. You want to whiten your teeth, mamas? So, now that we brushed, and I just feel even more squeaky clean, it's time to paint. Now, what do I mean by paint? We have to paint our dientes with the gel, and this is when you don't want to get it on your gums. So we have our little cap here, and you don't want to use more than, let me just double check, I want to make sure that, sometimes I have to look at this every time I do it. You don't want to use more than 1 cc. So yeah, we don't want to use more than 1 centimeter in here. So I'm just going to start with, it's best to start with less than more, you know, less is more. So we're going to put a little bit in here. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. And let me put this back on because it's starting to ooze. Okay. So then, for all you artistic mother truckers out there, you can get your brush. I'm trying to light it up.
Look, I just flipped the switch. I don't know nobody else that's doing this. Body start to drop, ayy. At the top, ayy. This a rolling, not a stop. Watch shit don't never stop. This the flow that got a sneaker deal and I ain't, but I'm gone. Out of there, I'm gone. How I go from 6 to 20, serving up a pack, Niggas pulling gimmicks cause they scared to rap, ay. Funny how they shook, ay. That little nigga shook. Pulling back the curtain by myself, take a look, ayy. I'm a bar spitter, I'm a hard hitter. Yeah, I'm light skinned, but I'm still a dark nigga. I'm a wish.
So I thought I needed. So I thought.
Sick of these niggas. High as hell. Get ready to niggas. It's too late for all that. Hey, it's too late for all that lovey-dovey shit. I'm your brother shit. All that other shit. It's too late for all that. Hey, it's too late for all that.
So I thought I needed.
And look at that, you guys. 30 minutes later and your girl is shining again. You guys, this stuff really does work amazingly. Like, I am so happy with it, and the fact that it's all vegan and natural, like your girl likes everything natural. Like, look, it's crazy. Like, so when you guys really ask me, like, what do I do for my teeth? This stuff doesn't burn. That's like a great benefit of it. It doesn't burn, it doesn't sting, it doesn't like shock your teeth. I've had that happen to me like way too many times. And of course it's all plant-based and vegan. And it is also gluten-free and paraben-free, and so it's all good for you. And they have different flavors, like I mentioned in the beginning. I got mint, but they also have a bunch of other good flavors that you can choose from, and you can really taste it when you're brushing your teeth. Go to their website and choose what flavor you want. So I will leave everything in the description below. Their Smile Vegan Style website, all the stuff that I used today, the kit that I use. So you guys, you know, I'm all about beauty and health and all that stuff and taking care of your body, and it's the same thing. It's just be careful what you put inside your body, what you're eating. What's the difference if you're brushing your teeth? You know, you're still swallowing what you're brushing, so it's good to use still vegan and plant-based products and stuff that don't have all that chemicals and nasty stuff. Like, this is, like I said, paraben-free, gluten-free, non-GMO, vegan, all that good shenanigans. So I'm gonna put everything down below for you guys. Remember, the giveaway will be in there, and also my discount code Tariana will be down there for you guys, so you're getting already 90% off, which is a win-win for you. And yeah, let me know how you guys like it. Send your pictures in, tag us. I'll put all their links below to tag away, and let me see your grill. Yeah, grill. So also I'm going on vacation, which I'm still planning on filming as much as I can on my vacation, so that's another reason why I always like to whiten my teeth before I leave. So, you know, I like to do my nails, my toes every 2 weeks, but I also like to, you know, make sure my eyebrows are fleeky, my teeth are white, everything before I go, because you gotta look good, you gotta represent. So I will see you all in my next video, and I love you so much, Team T, baby.